As the Supreme Court nears its annual summer recess, justices have yet to decide on four major cases that could upend the country's political trajectory and have a major influence over the 2024 elections. Among the decisions in the front of the Supreme Court is the question of affirmative action, which describes the practice of colleges using race-based admissions policies to increase diversity on their campuses. Conservatives on the Supreme Court are likely to vote against the practice, expressing criticism that race should not be considered in college admissions because it would disadvantage qualified students. Also under consideration is President Joe Biden's plan to provide up to $20,000 in student loan relief under his debt forgiveness program introduced last year. Several conservative groups sued over the decision, arguing Biden does not have the authority to cancel student loan debt unilaterally. Also on the table is the matter of freedom of speech when it comes to LGBT subjects, positioning two rights against each other in a crucial Supreme Court case. The case deals with a challenge to a public accommodations law in Colorado. A website designer, Lori Smith, says it violates her constitutional rights of free speech by requiring her to build wedding websites for same-sex couples, despite her personal objections. The Supreme Court is also tasked with deciding a case out of North Carolina, stemming from the state's most recent redistricting efforts. At the issue is the question of whether state legislators should have sole authority over administering federal elections, particularly when it comes to congressional maps.